Nope, John, come on, let's go. Let's look at your new and improved car seat. Yay! So we're gonna go install it into the truck. Let's go. Come on. We gotta try out the new car seat. Come on. All new, buckled in. So if you guys don't know, I'm actually home for a little bit with the family. Had to come back and get in my roots. Come here, Gian. You haven't been on. Whoa! Oh.
He has a little bit of monkeys right now.
Oh yeah, he's a little sick. There's really bad allergies in San Antonio right now. Even my head's hurting. But look, Gian, say hi. You haven't been on camera in a long time. Say hi.
Hey.
Hi. Whoa, shoot, I never heard him talk like that before. Good job, Gian. I think Gian likes the camera. But yo guys, my mom got Gian a new car seat. There you go, buddy. No, yeah, I think it's a good fit. I think he did need a new one.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what made you like want to get like a new like car seat for him?
Because like I put him in, like I kind of struggle putting them in, right? And then when I'm strapping them in, like his feet are already starting to kind of dangle out, and his head's already almost at the top of the little.
So he basically just outgrew his last car seat. But yeah, guys, this one was how much was it?
This one was $180.
$180. A lot of the other ones were like $300.
Yeah, like I really liked it.
All right, let's try to strap him in.
I'm excited for
Strap in time. Strap in.
Because he also has his little cuppy, so now he's gonna be able to put his little cuppy in the mornings.
With his what do you give him to drink in the morning?
His licuado, his guado. Like everybody else.
Wait. If somebody doesn't know what guado is, can you explain that?
It's a shake. It's a banana shake. I usually used to give it to all my kids, Julian, Gemini, and Angel, when they're little. It's a good like I guess meal replacer.
What's in it?
So it's
banana.
milk, banana. Sometimes I'll put an egg, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon, and did I say milk?
Yeah.
But yeah, and it's like a milkshake. So it helps out. Like sometimes he's really picky to eat, and he won't eat. So that should.
Oh look! This is what I did to him. Here, record me. Come here, Gian. Oh, he already. Stand up. All right, here. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside.
Uh-oh.
Let's see if he knows how to get out.
Struggle a little bit.
Good job, Gian. Are you gonna go back in there? Go. This man really. Good job, Gian. So it's been a while since Gian been on the camera and he got teeth. Show me your teeth. How do you say it?
Dientes. Estos son mis dientes.
Say it again, Mom.
Dientes.
Yeah, guys, he freaking just bit my stomach. Like, what the heck, Gian? I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt a little bit, like slobber and everything. Gian, do you like your new car seat? Yeah? He's like literally talking so much. What the heck? That's crazy.
You want some? Yes? You want some? Yes? Yeah? Yeah. Here. Say thank you.
Here. Thank you.
Gracias.
Dang, I did not know he talks this much. This is crazy. Bro, why are you going through my stuff? Yo, this is my Invisalign. Here, put it in. I'm just kidding. It's been in my mouth. Don't do that. But no, man. I should probably close my suitcase. But look, I can't lose these. Guys, these are my whitening trays, not even my Invisalign. No. No. Mine. 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 No. Mine. 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 No. No, no, no. All right, guys, so we're actually gonna install this. Dang, this thing got some weight. So let me find like a good place I could grip it. Maybe just here. All right, we're gonna go install it into the truck. Let's go. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh, you wanna clean it?
No, the seat, like where it.
Oh, like where he sits at. Well, let's see what it looks like.
It looks nasty, to be honest. I think he dropped something.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
That's what I'm saying?
Yeah, under like at the edge. Right there. All right, maybe we can clean it. Gina, are you ready? New car seat. Yay! All right, Mom, you got the cleaning supplies?
Yeah. Honestly, like, I don't think this kid, like, has any idea was about to happen.
I don't think he does either. He's just
at all. Like, he seems like it's something new and different to him. But, like, I don't think he's, like, notices that he's going to be able to see, like, forward now. Not just
because he's only been facing backwards.
Yes.
I didn't even notice that yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't even think he knows.
So he's gonna be able to see like the drive, see you.
Yes.
Dang,
Yeah,
that's
like,
a
like,
big difference. How do you say let me see your hands in Spanish?
Déjame ver tus manos.
What?
Déjame
ver
tus manos.
I already forgot.
Déjame
tus manos.
Déjame ver
tus manos. Gian, déjame ver tus manos. Let me see your hands, Gian. Let me see your hands. Are they dirty? You were touching the tires. Let me see. Let me see. Dang! Dirty, dirty, dirty. Here. Here we go, guys. I'm not taking credit for this either. My mom's the one that. How much was this again?
180.
All right, well, I think I'm gonna send you 180 because I think you really needed this.
Oh, that's sweet of you. Yeah. Oh, we gotta take that mirror off.
Oh, this one. But yeah, I'm gonna send you the 180.
This is my birthday present.
Birthday present.
So like this latch right here. Let me see.
That one?
Okay, it's supposed to be, there's like a little button or like a little, I don't know if you're able to see it or not. Do you see this little thing over here?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, open it and then just like attach it to there.
Come.
At least just for right now.
Let's go. Let's try it. Come here. Ben Paka. Come here. We gotta try out the new car seat. Come on. Let's go. You ready? Try it out.
Dang, I can't believe we have all that room now. Before, all of this right here was blocked.
Yeah, because of the car seat facing backwards.
Mira. Yeah. Oh man. Look at his nasty, crusty mocos.
Car seat.
Oh man, car seat. Ya puede ver todos.
Sit down.
Mira.
I don't think he's like, why am I facing the wrong way?
I know.
Actually, let me go in the front seat. There we go, Gian. All new, buckled in.
Ah!
Yay. What up, gang?
This is, I got a new car seat.
Now he faces forward instead of backwards.
Bad.
Now he's gonna see how to be a Formula 1 driver like me and Angel. Alright guys, there we go. I sent my mom the money for the car seat. Good job, Gian. New car seat. Alright, new car seat secured. Mom, where do you want to go eat? Gian, what do you feel like eating? Huh? You don't even eat nothing.
I know.
But yo guys, look at Gian's shirt. It's so funny. Come here. Stop moving away.
Come on, just excuse the mess.
Come here. Let me see. Come here.
It's been a long week.
Let me see. What does your shirt say? It says kick ass on the bottom.
This is my Theo kicks ass.
That's
and then
funny.
it's a mariachi and he's holding a bottle of bucanas.
That's funny as hell. It's so lit. Bye, Gian. Alright guys, we're currently in the car. We're gonna go get some food. Nobody else is gonna be coming with us. My sister, she is getting our eyelashes done.
And she's going to the mall.
And she's going to the mall. Angel's working. I just dropped him off of work, and I think he has pink eye.
Oh yeah.
And then
horrible.
Gian. So it's just gonna be Gian and my mom, and we're gonna be going to Bubba's. I don't think I've ever done a vlog. Actually, I might have. I don't know, but y'all about to see. Gian. Shoot. Gian, we're here. Whoa, you scared him. It was funny. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Woo. So if you're in San Antonio, you might know what this is, but it's called Bubba's, and it's just like another nice little restaurant like Saltgrass or, you know, one of those chain food places, but I'll show you outside. All right guys, we made it inside. We're still waiting for a little freaking high chair for Gian, but it's a nice little spot. We got some outside. We're outside with the good lighting.
Yeah.
Fresh, it's not hot or cold. Maybe we should have brought the jacket though,
I know, right?
in case it does get cold. But we have to eat dessert.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, so don't eat too much to where you can't eat dessert. Say it again.
I'm off like, can I drink a little bit though?
I mean, I could drive if you want me to. You know, enjoy. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, we got Gian's high chair. Yeah. All right, Gian. No throwing food, okay? No throwing food. Alright guys, so if you come to Bubba's, the #1 things that I recommend is the Chipotle chicken and shrimp pasta, and then the signature ribeye. My mom's gonna get Gian mac and cheese. And what do you think about getting?
That pasta, that one's, I think I got that one the last time. That one's really good.
Yeah.
Or maybe a steak. I'm not really much of a steak eater, a meat eater, but that sounds pretty good right now. With some sides.
Alright, so since we both want steaks and the pasta, I'm gonna flip a coin on my phone. Heads or tails. If you get heads, then you get the steak, and then the tails is the pasta, okay?
Got it. Okay.
Hey Siri, flip a coin. Tails.
It's what it was, tails? Okay, so then I'm going to get the pasta then.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Alright guys, there we go. There's a ribeye, mac and cheese, cheese and broccoli, Gian's mac and cheese, and this bussin' pasta, guys. I tell you, so freaking good. Eat up, Gian.
Low. Low.
Low.
Low. ¿Ya? ¿Está bueno? Blow, blow, blow. Yeah.
Alright, so y'all know at Chili's we get the molten lava cake, so this is almost like it, but it looks a little better, I'm not gonna lie.